In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the VVT solenoid valve on this BMW X5. This is going to be located in the front part of the engine. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the engine cover. Just grab underneath, pull up, and pull out. Now we're going to take this clamp off for this tube. There's some clips right here. Just want to pop these clips up with a straight blade screwdriver. Separate that. Then just grab this pipe. You just want to lift it up. Oh, that should pull out just like that. Loosen up this clamp. Just use a straight blade screwdriver. That's good. Then you want to separate that. Pop that off right there. Then we're going to grab the air box, pull it up. There's just grommets holding it down. And pull that out of the way. To get these solenoids out in the front of the engine, you can try to reach around this bar right here, but it's going to be so much easier and it doesn't take that much time to take the bar out. So we're going to take that out. There's a cable that runs along the back here. It's just pushed on with some retainers. I'm just going to use a trim tool. You just need a prying tool just to pop it out, those retainers. That's good. Just set that aside. Using a 13mm socket, take these bolts out. There's two on the other side. Grab the bar and raise it up. You want to get it past this coolant hose over here and slide it out of the way. These AC lines, we're just going to push these towards the engine, pick these up. Pull them out of the brackets. Just like that. And we'll just bungee cord these out of the way. That's good. Now we can disconnect the connector. Just push down on that little lock. Grab the connector. Slide that down. There is a bolt at the top. It's hard to see, but you can feel around for it. Just follow the connector for the solenoid, and it's up top there. Using a 10mm socket. Once you get it loose, you can do it by hand. Pull that bolt out. Now take the sensor, try to wiggle that out. I'm going to use a pick. Just try to pry it out a little bit. Try to get in behind it. Pop that out. And it slides right out. I'm just going to take a rag with some brake parts cleaner and wipe that out. If there was an O-ring that didn't come off with the sensor, you want to grab that, pull that O-ring out. You can feel in there, but it's good. That looks clean. Now just take the new sensor with a little fresh engine oil and just rinse the sensor. You can spread that around on the O-rings. That's good. Now line the sensor up. Slide it in place. Twist it back and forth. Push it down till it bottoms out. Now I'll put the bolt back in. Snug that down. And I'm going to torque that to 79 inch-pounds. That's good. Now take the connector, line that up, plug that in. Sure it locks down. All right, that's locked in place. And the procedure for the other solenoid is going to be the same steps. Take the bungee cord off, take those AC lines, get those back in the bracket, push those into the retainers. Just like that. Take this crossbar, line this up. Get the bolts started. Tighten those down. Take the cable, lock that in place. Now take the air box, get this lined up in the tube, right there, and push it down. Get that settled in place, and tighten down the clamp. And just snug that down. Just take this tube, get that lined up, push that down, get the clamp in place, and just tighten down the clamp. If you need to, you can use some pliers, otherwise you just squeeze it. Clamp that in place. That's good. There's a couple of tabs that slide into the slots in the back for the cover. Get those, slide that in place. And then push it down, lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.